Okay, so to find out when this function is continuous, we have to find out when it's not continuous, because there's going to be some vertical asymptotes. And so where it's not continuous are the boundaries for the continuity, which is kind of weird. But anyways, we can do this algebraically, simply by factoring, and then something should kind of cancel out. But basically, when the denominator equals 0 is when we're going to have some issues with continuity. Because when the denominator is 0, we'll have vertical asymptotes. And so that's what we've got to figure out, is when this thing is equal to 0. So if I say x squared plus, minus 12, minus 12x plus 35 equals 0, because that's what I'm interested in. We could solve this, I think it's negative 5 and 7, but let's verify. X times x is x squared. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. And then negative 5 times 5 is positive 35. When you combine like terms, you get this. So in other words, x minus 5 times x minus 7 is equal to 0. So the zeros of this solution, or the solutions of this function, is x equals 5 and x equals 7. Technically, what I'm saying is x cannot equal this because the denominator cannot equal 0. So your continuity then is only affected when x equals 5 and x equals 7. So the way that I can write this is from negative infinity to 5 union 5 to 7 union, oops, make a little room there, union 7 to positive infinity, which is B. Yep, that's it. Let's move on to the next question, question number 22.